All right, let's have a look. So this week, it's going to challenge you to think critically about the role technology is playing in your life. So we're going to look at both sides of the coin. We're going to look at two trailers that are going to spark your interest. The Social Dilemma, watch that trailer here, that talks about technology, algorithms, social media, and $1 billion in change. So looking at all the great inventions that are happening around us. So have a look. Ask yourself, is technology using us or are we using technology? And then you're going to look at the lines between the benefits and the harms and how they're increasingly being blurred. What I want you to do is create a PowerPoint. There's one here linked in for you if you'd like to use it as a guide. But it's essentially going to have all of this stuff. So basically, you're going to do some research. What are some new things happening in AI, in any type of technology, from medical use to tech industry? Then you're going to create some slides. Your first slide is going to do an introduction of what you plan on proving. You're going to have a harms section. So talk to me about the harms of technology. I'd like images, key points, APA and tech citations, any impact on the global world around us. And then you're going to have some slides that are going to look at the benefits. So what are some things that are benefiting society? What is making the hugest impact? Again, images, key points, impacts on globalization, and APA and tech citations. And then you're going to look at the social change that's happening and apply it to two theories that we've studied in class. So look at that and see, how does the harm apply to social science theory and the benefits. And then you're going to give me your opinion. State, does the harms outweigh the benefits or vice versa? State your opinion clear, give supporting reasons, visuals, any infographic type information that you want, and then conclusion to wrap it up. And don't forget, I'd like to have your last slide where you cite your sources, where you're getting any of your videos, articles, or information. All right, I look forward to seeing what you produce. I always learn so much from this assignment.